Hello everyone. This weekend we are at Singa Besar Yacht Club, and you can see all the boat name here. And you can see this is my boat name. Yeah, we start to the barbecue, and this one is look like a barbecue bread. And we also bring food from the boat. Someone gonna eat so much like this. And you can see all the meat on the fire. It smells so good. And someone enjoying, someone drinking, someone relaxing. Okay, we'll see you guys next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.